Hi, this video is going to show you really quickly how to utilize the proxy storage facility in RealityLog. The idea with proxy storing is to make a local copy of a media file before you actually start to log it, in order to just ease up on the network load. Because even if you have a 1 gigabit network, if you have several logging stations running high-res files, eventually the network is going to choke up, and you will have stuff like video audio out of sync, or video just stopping in the middle of a clip, stuff like that, or really annoyingly slow loads. So if we import a new media, there, I'm going to go to one of the network drives, and I'm going to select this one. We're going to just call it 8001 now. So when that's done, we have the normal situation of media loaded. Okay, so we have it, and down in the status bar you can see that it's actually picking up the media from SED and blah blah blah. So that's the network storage, and that works fine for one station, maybe for two, maybe for four. But in the end, you're gonna have you might run into trouble where your network just isn't fast enough. So the solution to this is to go into settings, and on the media control you select copy media files locally before logging, and you can set a maximum allowed space to use. So this is 10 gigabit for now, 10 gigabytes for now in this machine. And how it works is that when it reaches this level or these limits, it's going to start to delete the files that was used the longest time ago. So first in, first out. I just keep on filling up with new information and deleting the old information. So after you've selected this flag and you select a media again, now it starts to copy down all these files. You can actually start to log already on the first one while it's copying in the background. When you select the next clip after turning on the proxy file storage, you can see that it's actually picking up the files from the local drive instead, from C users, my name, app data, roaming, RealityLog, proxy storage, blah blah blah. And that folder, even if it's a really long path, that folder is the logical choice, because that's where software should keep their files. And you can find that through this open proxy file folder. So here is your whole your complete search path for this one, and it's gonna create one folder for each project you're working with, and under that obviously one folder for each media that you're working in. So this one should be right now filling up with copies, and that's the one we're using. You could obviously go in and delete files in here. It doesn't matter, because if it can't find it, it's going to download it again. But it's pretty much automated, so you could just let it be. Okay, so that's how you do it. Easy. Bye.